Hey everybody, this is my garden in the ground 2024. Got peppers, those are some cherry tomatoes and marigolds, more cherry tomatoes. In addition to some squash, poblano. We stuffed poblanos around here. It's a marigold, have a lot of marigolds going in. Pecan tree just for funsies. I have a big pecan tree that I'm just letting that grow. More poblanos in these boxes. I of course picked all this stuff up at the garden center. I figured it'd be fun to fly around real quick, see if I could rip around the mulch stacks outside, and then maybe fly in through the front of the garden center door because it's super high. There's a lot of RF at that door, so it could always cause interference, but I got shredded by the wind, so I gave up on that. Just me getting pushed around by the wind of the parking lot. Back to the boxes, we have some fire bite size snackable peppers. They're not hot. I don't know why they call them fire. These are Lunchbox Orange. I have a bunch of bell peppers. It's got some marigolds and bell peppers. Marigolds will be down the center line. Some more marigolds. Be down the center line for pollinating the bees. More Lunchbox Orange. Got some sweet bell peppers along the back. Marigolds. Fire bite orange. Got a milkweed down the center for butterflies. Got two poblanos back there behind the bells, and then we got a bell and a gypsy pepper up front. Gypsy peppers are pretty awesome. They grow about the size of a jalapeno or bigger, but they're not quite as sweet as bananas, but similar. This is the sick fly through. Yep, I did a little slow-mo there. Moved down into that other area that we looked at. Just flying around the backyard. Pretty cool to get all this stuff in. It rained pretty hard the day before, and it was supposed to rain the next day. And I had a pretty full day, so I got all this in before dark. And then pretty much flew drones until dark around the house. Probably annoying my neighbors, who knows. But anyway. Here we go. So I definitely tried a few times to get that shot. And here's my crash reel. check back over the summer. I'll be checking in with my garden and my drone. Leave me a comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. Have a great day.